Another day, another hike. Let's go.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on poverty. Live like royalty.
Life is worth living again.
For the hike.
Oh, Psych.
Catch you after the hike.
You're 8.
See you in 2 hours time.
In 2 hours time.
Only 2 hours. That's an ambition for me.
Good morning. Yo, a few minutes into the hike. Let's go. Yo, Sako. Yo,
Hey Sheila, you're already tired. Oh, my Sheila. Oh, my Sheila.
Arieng. Hello.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying.
2 kilometers in. I don't know how many kilometers more to go, but let's do this.
Give this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break grass real fast like on money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Let's get you taking all my time. proper. Get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, ask baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patient. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you took it all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night. Show me the color when you turn me on. When you tell me you want it down.
Show me how you jigger.
Lick it off. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
Oh, mangiato olore.
I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? I've been sticking out your mind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help? If you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt. Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do. Nothing that they could say. Nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we say we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we say we could be. You think
What was I getting? Oh,
nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do. Take all the pain away. Sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
what is said is the idea. Guys, we're almost there though. Peteni nivukile nina. Now I close my laptop. Okay. Yes. Naiva.
Hello. We're now West Case.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back. Come on, roll up. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love. I told my girls you can get it. Don't slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. It's all tonight. I'll do it every way, because I can tell the morning light. 'Cause we like to party. We like to We like to party. Don't touch me, it's driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio on and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close, don't let me go. So in love, I don't care what they say. I don't care if they
Doing it, guys. Moreni, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, we are monetized. Okay, you guys are supposed to watch the ads. It's just that now I feel like people who watch YouTube videos know that they're supposed to like, comment, subscribe, not skip the ads. So if you are monetized, you have AdSense, they will add ads on your video. So someone who's not monetized, when you watch their video, they're not going to be ads. So the moment you watch someone's video and there are ads, it means that person is monetized, and that's how you actually make money via YouTube. So that's literally the only way. It's either people watching your ads or watching the ads while watching your video, or membership. But I think membership when my life is getting serious, you know. So yeah, man, Saturday today, went for a hike. Me and Pelisa and Yaku met for the first time the day we played pedal. So the day I played pedal for the first time, I played with them. So we were following each other on TikTok. Yaku posted a video about wanting people to play pedal with, and then Yaba worrying, oh, I've been wanting, Pelisa, I've been wanting, and then some of Yaku's friends, I've been wanting. Then we met for the first time, played pedal, and then Yaku nele motho lo reng vele on Saturdays she hikes and stuff, and then I was like, actually you should add me on your group. I want to hike with you guys. And I'm very happy that I did. There are many hiking groups, more PE. There's mountain hike. When I learn about the hiking that never stops, we bumped into them today. So yeah, I'm very happy that I'm actually hiking with the people that I'm hiking with, because I feel like they are my community now. I feel these are my friends, more PE. I feel like they are my friends. They don't know it yet, but I feel like these are my people. If I ever feel like I wanna have a braai at my place, I feel like these are people I can actually invite to my space and yeah, share meat with them. So I'm very glad that Yaku actually posted that pedal thing, because here we are now, and I'm just happy that I'm finally exploring PE. If you know, you know. When I came here, I was Bendigoa, you know, I wanted to go back to East London and things like that. And honestly, I feel like if it was not the relocating part, I think I would have went back to East London, to be honest, when I first came here. But now I like it. I love it here. There's so much to do in PE. Now I see why I moved to PE. But yeah, so I just watched my clinical code because I'm locuming tomorrow. And then I'm going to edit the vlog during the week. And then watch vlogs. And that's basically that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt.
Hello guys, good morning. Muleni, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. Sundays are for locums, Saturdays are for hiking. So yeah, I'm going for a locum. Today I'm wearing something different. I'm wearing a watch. That's number 2 watching it because in a way I keep kushishi wuzi. I saw I keep kushishi, but I feel like it's nako for me to read the time. You know, I don't know, but I want to start saving for an Apple Watch. It's just that I'm currently busy with my sisters. Well, 2 of my little sisters are university, so I'm trying to take care of a few things. Then after that, then I'm going to start saving to buy an Apple Watch. And yeah, because I get fitness gains are up. So, and also easy than this. Peer pressure at this age. But yeah, man, so I am alone. Obviously, the past few weeks I was with someone in the house. You know, you have the option to really move on and be with other people. Like, we have that option. We really had the option to just date other people. Like, literally just move on, you know. But yeah, we chose not to, and it's fine anyway too. Yeah, so that's basically that. Here we are, and I like how it is. I like how it's going. We are still, you know, mara I wonder where it goes. And this is not what I want to say, and this is not what you guys want to hear. But now I'm a normal person, guys. I will give my ex a chance if I feel like it. I will post my partner and we break up, and I will post another one and we break up, and it's fine. And if we break up, I'm just going to delete the videos like how I normally do. And life goes on. I am not going to express myself how I want, because what if I mean, I don't care. But yeah, man, so he left, and Mabadi we went hiking. Ke no re wa tseba motho ka nna tlo rata trail wa tseba. So Angelo o dutse kwa a di khale kwa yo kwa fisha mwabeng motho wa ka shem. A gona moya, pela se ga ya ona moya guys. Yo ga ya ona moya. I am happy to try. I'm happy to see where this relationship goes. And yeah, ngizomzalela ingane. Ngizomzalela ingane isizo akhumuzi. Anyway guys, let me get ready and head out to work. I haven't even eaten because but yeah, let's go to work and we'll see where the rest of the day goes. It's cloudy this weekend in PE, which is very nice and so refreshing, but the problem is I cannot do my laundry. But yeah, I mean, let's go to work and get this bread. I'm even going to use this money and next week's money. Yeah, so let's get this burrata. One day is one day. Ke tlo reka pakarati ya nnete. And yo, this smells so good. Like, yeah, for now, safela corn.
That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lot of love, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door.
Already ke lonely man ke tshwana le lena mo aune Sundays for lovers. Go fitla kwa ga ka tlhake parame sofe ke nyamile. Figure out what I'm going to eat tonight so that I can also have something to eat for lunch tomorrow at work. Yo, son. Yo.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just go and tell to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dreams. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh all the little lies you tell yourself. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moved.